Imagine a vast cosmic library. Instead of books, it holds the blueprints for all life on Earth. This is no work of fiction. This is the microscopic world of molecular biology, where molecules dance and interact to create the symphony of life. We often marvel at the vastness of the cosmos, yet within each of us lies a universe just as complex and awe-inspiring. It's the intricate world of cells, genes, and molecules. Understanding this world is not just about unraveling the mysteries of life. It's about harnessing this knowledge to improve human health and well-being. This is where molecular biology, the study of life at its most fundamental level, comes into play. It's a journey into the very essence of existence. It's about understanding the language of life itself. What exactly is molecular biology? It's the science that delves into the heart of living organisms. It seeks to understand how molecules interact, build cells, and drive the processes of life. Imagine a cell as a bustling city. Molecular biologists are the urban planners, studying the traffic flow of molecules like DNA, RNA, and proteins. These molecules are the key players in the story of life. They carry information, build structures, and catalyze reactions, all with astonishing precision. Molecular biology aims to decode this intricate molecular ballet. It seeks to understand how these molecules work together to create the miracle of life. It's a field that combines the curiosity of a detective with the ingenuity of an engineer. It's about piecing together the molecular puzzle to reveal the secrets of life itself. Let's meet the main characters in our molecular story. First up, DNA, the master molecule of life. Picture a long, twisted ladder. This is the double helix structure of DNA, holding the genetic instructions for building and running an organism. Think of it as the blueprint of life. Next, we have RNA, a versatile molecule that comes in different forms. One type of RNA acts as a messenger. It carries genetic instructions from DNA to the protein factories of the cell, called ribosomes. Imagine RNA as the construction crew, faithfully carrying blueprints from the architect to the building site. Finally, proteins, the workhorses of the cell. These complex molecules are built based on the instructions encoded in DNA. They carry out a wide array of tasks. They form structures, transport molecules, and even act as enzymes, speeding up chemical reactions. Think of proteins as the skilled laborers, diligently bringing the architect's vision to life. Together, DNA, RNA, and proteins form the fundamental trio driving the processes of life. The flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA to protein is known as the Central Dogma of molecular biology. It's the fundamental principle that underpins how life as we know it operates. The process begins with DNA replication, where the DNA molecule makes a copy of itself. This ensures that each new cell receives a complete set of genetic instructions. Imagine it as photocopying the master blueprint before starting a new construction project. Next comes transcription, where the DNA sequence is copied into a messenger RNA molecule. It's like transcribing the blueprint from an architectural drawing into a more portable format. Finally, in translation, the messenger RNA molecule is used to assemble amino acids into a protein. This is where the blueprint finally comes to life, as the amino acids are assembled like building blocks to create the final protein product. This elegant flow of information is the essence of the Central Dogma. It's a testament to the remarkable efficiency and precision of the molecular machinery within our cells. Molecular biology isn't just academic, it's clinical. Understanding how DNA works helps doctors diagnose genetic disorders, understand cancer mutations, develop gene therapies, and use personalized medicine. For example, in leukemia, certain genes mutate and cause the overproduction of white blood cells. Knowing the molecular changes helps design targeted treatments like imatinib, also known as Gleevec, a game-changer in chronic myeloid leukemia. The more we learn about the molecular basis of diseases, the more precise and effective our treatments can become. This is where the promise of molecular biology truly shines, transforming lives and offering hope to countless patients. So that was your first step into the fascinating world of molecular biology. You now understand what this subject is all about and how the Central Dogma lays the foundation for everything that follows. But where do we go from here? The future of molecular biology is incredibly promising. Emerging technologies like CRISPR are revolutionizing gene editing, allowing us to correct genetic defects with unprecedented precision. Imagine a world where inherited genetic disorders could be cured before a baby is even born, or where we can engineer crops that are resistant to diseases and climate change. Moreover, synthetic biology is opening new doors in biotechnology, enabling us to design and construct new biological parts, devices, and systems. The potential applications are limitless, from biofuels to biopharmaceuticals, and even to novel materials that could change the way we live. In Part 2, we'll dive deep into DNA structure and replication, how your genetic blueprint copies itself perfectly millions of times a day. Stay tuned, subscribe, and let your curiosity multiply like DNA.